Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Toyota HiAce, stock number 6626. It's ran from the 6th 2016 and the 4th 2019. And here's a 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand sliding door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Rear door, right front door, no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,